What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Santander Bank's online banking account. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial as well. So the first step, search for Santander Bank Register and then click on the first link over here. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on where it says login and you want to choose first time user enroll now. It'll take you to its sign up page. Now once you're over here, it's a 4-step process. First, it's gonna identify you. You need to choose which method of information you want to put. After that, enter the information according to that and then click on continue, and it's gonna verify if that account belongs to you or not. After it verifies it, it's gonna take you to the account creation page. After that, your account will be created. So that's how this works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.